This video is for you if you have a Word document with references from an EndNote library and for some reasons you have lost the original EndNote library. So you can make another EndNote library from the existing references present in the Word document. So let's get started. To create a new EndNote library from the references of an existing Word document, first of all, we will open the Word document, right? And we will scroll down to the references. There are our references and we want to make an EndNote library of it. So it's very simple. We will just click on the EndNote library here and choose this option and export, the first export option. Here we have two options, either to create a new library or an existing. We will create a new, click OK and save it at your desired location. I will save it here. Save. It will take a while and the new EndNote library file will open automatically. It is just asking me for an update. I will cancel it. Cancel. Cancel. Okay. This is the uh, EndNote library that we have created, and it includes all the references from the source Word document. All right. Let's just insert a reference in this document again to see if it works or not. Let me choose a suitable location. Yes. Here you can see it's reference number 4, and I will just add a new reference here. Select this one, insert, just wait. All right. You can see reference number 4 and the previous reference has been changed into reference number 5. So that's it. And you can do many other stuff, but our goal was to create a new EndNote library from an existing, and you can see the file has been saved here. Okay. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much.